Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. My name is Chris Keston, and I guess I'm just supposed to give my critique of the OMNICAMP. It's been an overall great experience. Absolutely think it's a value added. I look at this as an investment, and I think it's definitely an investment that is capable of paying off. A lot of great things. Maybe I'll go with the suggestions. A little more screening in the entry process as to who might be accepted. There were some questions in the group that might have detracted from our overall progress. Worried about lowest common denominator, what kind of pace do we have to go at. Of course, it's easy for me to say that because I'm just obviously making an assumption that I'd be making the cut. So a selection process, and that could obviously become fine-tuned or honed as interaction continues, if there's additional levels of interaction. Let's see. And technology was good. It was fun and interesting to do some of the first and second day activities that we did. Intro. I was concerned a little bit with the, hey, I'm naked in here. Sorry, someone just opened the door. So where was I? Oh yeah, with the first and second day activities, good activities, fun. After, on the second day you're wondering, okay, what's the pace, what's the overall goal and progress going to be? Ultimately, at the end, I think we accomplished everything that we wanted to. First 2 days on the presentation of it, I thought you guys were very professional. Oscar comes in at a certain time, and yes, he hangs out and has lunch with us, but you guys did that very professional. I think you guys run your business very professionally. Anyway, in all aspects, so you guys are just doing more of that. A little more logistic planning, the hotel situation. I was getting confused on maybe where we were, where we were going. I was looking for maybe some more time together, whether it's a light breakfast was provided, but maybe having lunch and dinner together. Some of after, let's see, it was after the third day, which was Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. A good group of us, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us went out, and we went to some place and had dinner, but we were there for like 4 or 5 hours. We sat and we talked, and it was great. It was great getting to know people, and kind of an open session where we were able to talk about our thoughts and feelings, and as far as trading, it was great because we stayed on trading topics so much that what our goals were. We even were able to speak frankly with each other. Hey, I really think you'd be a better trader if you did this or that or some other, and really kind of bonded well with other group of guys. I hung out with Trade Z for dinner all 3 nights, so me and him have been talking a lot and just getting to know each other, which was cool. But that session Saturday that we had was just really getting to know each other as traders. And so that was almost part of a highlight too. All of us voiced that we would have loved to spend more time here, seeing more of everything. So yeah, if we could have more of everything, that'd be great. Let's see. Again, overall, a great